This is the hugest bed I've ever seen. What? No, okay, it's because it's 2 beds. Wow, look at all of those pillows. Look inside. Let's see. This is like playing pretend for grown-ups. I didn't do my intro yet, but this is me in IKEA, first time here, and I'm having so much fun.
Bro, you're waiting until now to get your stuff?
Let's grab in the closet.
Oh yeah, he went like last week. What was it? Saturday, Friday.
What am I going to wear today? I'm going on a brunch with my friends. We're all going to brunch. And it's kind of it's like a casual type of place, but it's still a dressy casual. So I could wear this with a white skirt. Yes, this with a white skirt, and this will go great with my Taraf perfume. It'll just put the entire look together. And maybe some low heel sandals. What jewelry should I wear? Definitely gold. Oh, okay, these would be perfect to go with the outfit. And then for that date that I'm going on tomorrow, maybe this dress is actually pretty cute. This one is too showy. This one is too bright. Too dark. Yeah, this is definitely the one. This is the one that I'll be wearing. And living room. Why are there plates on the living room wall? How's the sofa? It's pretty comfy. I'm just looking at the sunset outside of the big window in front of me. Ooh, let's see. What's the living room looking like? Okay. We have some cookbooks here. We have our big TV and our nice comfy sofa. I'm sitting back, enjoying my cup of hot cocoa. What are we watching? Charlie Brown. walked into my house. Ooh, yes. Something like this. Today's one of those days where I'm just chilling. Me and this couch are friends today. This one is perfect. Perfect. I wonder if it comes with this. Oh, it looks like it does. There will only be one cat in here, thank you. Just one. All for her. All for her. Okay, so I'm getting my pajamas. I'm just gonna lay down and enjoy the night. Well, here's my patio, my balcony. Yeah, this is my balcony. put up some flowers here, some books here. This is like dedicated to God, the Bible, and my journal, and everything. A home for my cat, but I'll put that closer to the floor. I really like this. No, I didn't want to go to Billy. I wanted this one. Yes. This. Oh, it's just a clear. Oh. I like this. I know someone who would like these curtains. A table like this, but circular. Much better. I'll take the orange juice, please. Oh. My C is right here. I'll take the orange juice, please. And the peanut stew.